Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes, and this time it's not a tutorial, but I wanted to introduce you to an online course that I created, first one ever off of YouTube, and it's a full 2-hour plus course with questionnaires and links to resources on cybersecurity awareness. So this is the course that's for beginners, newbies. If you consider yourself not that great with computers, then this may be the perfect course for you to help you get a good understanding of cybersecurity and what it is, and breaking it down, and some areas that you might be weak in and need to work more on, and other areas that you might be doing well already. So this is for home use, and there will be another one eventually I'll put together for business. But really, if you're running a small business, all of the stuff pretty well that we talk about in this course for home use will apply for a business, but it's just that for a business they will have some other additional things that would be missing from this course. So this is a good starting point, at least just to get you going. And also I have discount promotions occasionally that I can put on. So if you follow me through my social medias, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and if you follow me there, you'll see when some discount codes apply that you can jump on there and get that course at a lower price. So anyway, cybersecurity is a huge thing these days now because everything is computerized now. Everyone's on their computers and phones. So you gotta learn to be safe, and that's what this course is all about. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. All right, thanks so much. Bye for now.